Hey all, welcome to the seventh episode of a reconciliation. Today we'll discuss about the NAV and fee calculation break of a final reporting channel. Means this is a final step of a trade life cycle where the all thing get adjusted, all thing will be done. So hopefully we have done six previous session. So hopefully you like this content. We explain the meaning, real life example, how to resolve root cause, and what practice you have to follow to resolve the break. Okay, so hopefully you like, but anyhow this is the final step. I will also attach all the, if this is you are watching this video first time, this series first time, first video, so I will attach all the link of a previous session so you can go through it. But it is very important part of your doing reconciliation and fund accounting. So now we'll move for the NAV and fee calculation will be done. Okay, so in just want to ask one question. In your daily reconciliation you will see some fees like audit fee, management fee, or maybe some any fee like research fee, or maybe your application fee will be occur, day to day thing will be occur. So this all thing will be adjusted in the NAV. If you do any incorrect fee posting without having any backup or something, it will directly impact your NAV. So, and finally the NAV itself, even the small error in the fee rate or maybe the late rate can create a big NAV mismatch. Okay, so how this will be done? So this break occur during the final NAV calculation and the reporting between the administration or auditor and the client and the manager. Okay, every stakeholder included in this part, because the NAV report sent to the each and every stakeholder and they validate according to their data. If we have a data, we publish according to our data, they have some different data, and their team is doing some in different part. So common type of a break what we see in the NAV is the incorrect fee accrual, means performance or management. Sometimes we have to do the accrual and payment concept because the fee we did not receive in cash, but we need to post that in this month we are receiving the fee, or this date we are receiving the fee. So you have to post the accrual entry, and then later month it get received, and then you have to post the cash entry. So you have to follow this accrual base in the NAV. NAV does not include all the expenses, maybe it may be anything, so it does not include all the expenses. You have to use the accrual payment concept. Rounding difference of a share, for example, some corporate action has been done, stock split, bonus issue, or maybe spin off or something. So some rounding share will be there, and then you have to adjust that rounding share as well. So you have to adjust the rounding share and include whatever the amount you adjusted, same you have to reflect into cash. Okay, so this concept will call as a cash and leave. Okay, so you can search in Google and you can find it out. So same like this, late trade not included into the NAV. So if late trade get included, so you have to mention one note that this is a late trade and tomorrow it will get settled, but you did not include into NAV as well. So real life example is that admin applies 0.125% of a management fee monthly, and client expects 0.110% based on the latest IMA, means their agreement. So agreement are the many types, so they mention as the IMA. So as per agreement, latest agreement 0.15, but you are applying 1.25. So causes included fee rate configuration error, miss out cutoff, incorrect expenses allocation, not synchronized FX system as well. Okay, so next we'll see, you will see the question in interview commonly asked is, what are the common causes of a NAV mismatch? So you have to reply this answer very professional way, is that the NAV mismatch occur when the calculated NAV asset value per share does not match across the system or a party. For example, here all the stakeholder included, administration means admin team, internal shadow NAV, custodian oversight, everything. So what are the root cause of this thing, means how now get mismatched? So fee rate configured incorrectly, that we see that management fee reflected incorrectly. Means why incorrectly? Because latest IMA client is reflecting, but admin did not have the information, so that's why it is getting issue. The late trade that miss NAV cutoff are not reflected in the NAV day now. So it is also the issue, late rate issue. Incorrect or inconsiderate expenses allocation, means some expense allocation incorrectly book or not book. This will also impact on this. Or non-securitized means FX rate applies across the system, lending valuation discrepancy as well. So stale price or incorrect accrual may be issue. So let's see the example how the nav get mismatch. So nav mismatch due to the fee error, late rate omission will be happen. So fund GMT 002, the fund name is portfolio name, and the management fees 1.2% per annum applies daily. However, the admission system configured 1%, causing under accrual of a fee. Additionally, a bond purchase trade 2 million settled later not booked in the NAV for 28 June. Custodian confirm receipt of a cash and bond in the settlement. So NAV oversettled with the 7,500, 5,000 under the accrual fee and 2,500 later. So due to two reasons, the NAV get overstated with the $7,500. Okay, it is a big amount. So they mention the reason is to accrual fee and one is the late rate. So how we can resolve this break? Okay, just I'm moving to my Excel file. So if now get delay, everything get impacted, or we can say now get not mismatch, everything get mismatch. Okay, we'll just highlight what things we should mismatch. Okay, so security description also get mismatch. Okay, due to now trade book late or something issue. Okay, and then settlement transaction type also get not confirmed because the late trade omitted in between now when we release. Okay, trade ID because the new trade includes the trade ID not mentioned, missing at administration side. Fee also they mention as a 1%, but here 1.25%, this got impacted. Accrual interest, accrual they post 2000, but here broker and custodian are not mentioning. FX rate issue between this, now per share get impacted due to late trade come, and the coupon rate also get disbursed, and we can see original face and match value, everything get impacted. Okay, the most important part is how we can root cause this nav break. Okay, so nav break can be root causes by the many things. So first is incorrect fee setup, admin configured 1% instead of policy mandate 1.25%. So admin has to correct 1.25%. Late trade omission means a $2.5 million bond trade was booked after cutoff in admin system. So after the admin system close, still the trade get booked, so it will impact directly on the NAV. Okay, FX rate drift, FX rate used was not synchronized across the system, so system not synchronized all the thing. Income accrual mismatch, admin miss 1 day bond interest 12k accrual, so that's why this now get impacted. So how we can resolve the nav break is the most important part. Okay, so reconfigured management fee rate 1.2% per annum means in your system, just open that fee configuration, update their 1.25, so automatically every year it will calculate 1.25 as per the list, and you get a confirmation with the broker as well that this 1.25 as per the latest their size. Rebook the miss bond trade of 28 June now. So you have to rebook the trade with a miss movement because it's after the cutoff time, but you have to book the trade and refresh your now. As just the daily accrual missing interest. So missing interest you have to update because you did not update the bond interest of 20k 12k. Align FX rate across the module and system is admin versus custodian. Rerun the now because you done the adjustments, and now per share was 114.85, and login event now correction notice to reflect to the audit. So you have to mention that we have corrected many things, so you have to reflect to the flag to the audit team as well. So where this nav get impacted? Okay, so this is overstated by the 7,500 due to fee, and due to the fee and the trade get inserted. Okay, two things will be there. One is fee and one the trade letter. So both thing you have to correct. Investor unit incorrect. If you release with this without correction, so investor unit will get impacted. So instead of getting 100 units, so somebody will get 90 unit, 95 units, so it will get impacted. Okay, fee leakage also, fee under accrual reduce the fee income tracking also. So also, and audit control also, internal audit trigger confiscated and trade cutoff review also. So why this trade get omitted, so it get triggered into internal system as well. So however, I am just done with all the step of a reconciliation trade life cycle. So I am done with this all type, but this is just a summary of what we have discussed. Just quickly discuss this summary because it is important as a part of an interview. So trade life cycle start with the trade execution. The broker versus admin, trade not book, incorrect detail will be happen. Trade confirmation, broker, custodian, admin, trade mismatch, counterparty, FX rate. In trade settlement, custodian and admin failure, delay, wrong quantity will be happen. Position, custodian versus admin holding, mismatch, corporate action mismatch, something will be happen. For the cash reconciliation, custodian versus admin via delay or maybe incorrect currency. Corporate action and income will be the custodian versus admin. It is missing dividend tax and the right mispond. Okay, and the pricing and valuation, admin versus vendor, custodian stale price ratio, different source they have used and affects mismatch. Now it is between the admin versus manager and client, incorrect approval, rounding error and mistrade. So this will be what we see in the explanation. I just summary out. You will see many types of break. Okay, this not this is just simple breaks we are just want to show you. In coming time we will launch a series on the intermediate types of break of reconciliation and then advanced level. So stay tuned with us on the different reconciliation break. We'll catch up you soon with a different series with the intermediate level of a trade life cycle. So hope you like this content. Stay tuned with us. If you do not subscribe our channel, likes, follow and share with your friend circle as well, finance friend circle, so they can also enjoy this content and they also learn like you. So thank you so much for watching, and hopefully you like the content. We'll meet you on the next episodes on different topic. So stay tuned with us, tuned with our channel as well. And if someone is watching new, I will attach all the episode that we done in this, so you can hopefully will. But in nav is a difficult different concept, so I have a separate video on nav calculation also. I will attach this link also and few other topic also, so you can go on this topic. But hopefully if you have any doubt, simple doubt, please write us on the comment section. We'll definitely reach out to you at when we get a time. So thank you so much for watching. We'll meet you on the next video.